Hey guys, I posted this recipe in my Instagram story a few weeks ago. If you aren't following me on there, you can. But it's really good for meal prepping and making sure that you stick to your diet. So I hope you enjoy, and you can add any spices you want. All right, so I put the chicken in the crock pot. It's ready to go. I get my chicken broth and I measure out 2 cups. For this recipe, I could have done 1 and it would have been just fine. There ended up being a lot of extra left over. So 1 cup, you'll see 1.5 here, I think. But figure out what works best for you. And then I pour it in on top of the chicken. Then I had to add my spices. I add 2 teaspoons of black pepper, Himalayan sea salt, onion powder, and garlic powder. I just keep it simple because if I add more spices, I can't add it to different foods like tacos and different stuff. I can add taco seasoning later, but if I do it now, I can only use it for like Mexican meals. So, and then I rub it in, make sure all the spices are spread around and not just sitting on top of the chicken. The lid goes on. I usually cook mine on low for 3 hours. So I set this 4-hour timer, and then I set a second timer for 3 hours, and then I check it. Usually it's done by 3 hours. It'll depend on your crock pot. Here it is done, looking fresh. And then I put it in the sink in the container I'm going to put it in the fridge in, and I blend it with my little hand blender because I don't like shredding things with a fork. It takes too long for me. And here's the final product. Doesn't that look yummy? I could just throw it in salads, in tacos, whatever I want all week.